YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Antha Barber coming back at you with another haircut tutorial. In this video, we're going to be doing an even all around 2 with a taper. So right here, I have my wall magic clip with the original fade blade. I have on my number 2 premium guard, my levers closed, and I'm beginning to knock down his bulk. And this is going to be the desired length for my client, so I'm going to go ahead and give him an all around even 2. I'm also going to start this tutorial a little bit different. I'm actually going to start with the back taper, and I'm going to run it a little bit faster, and I'm not going to walk you through it. I just want you guys to follow along. And then when we get to the side taper, I'm going to run it in real time and walk with you through it.
Dirty governments like this one deserve to be taken over.
Alright y'all, so here we are on the side taper. So I'm going to start by taking my Andis Slimline Pro Li, and I'm going to set my first guideline, which is going to be my bald guideline. Alright, so now that I have my bald guideline set, I'm going to come through with my Babyliss Pro Gold FX02, and I'm going to completely bald out that guide. When I get towards the top of the guide though, I am going to use that flick out motion because I want to demonstrate a smooth transition from completely bald to stubble. So now I'm coming in with my wall magic clip with the original fade blade, and I'm going to begin to create my next guideline. And I'm going to keep everything consistent, and I'm going to give myself about the same amount of space that I gave myself with the previous guide. And once this guide is set, you're going to see that I close my lever and I begin to blend from the bottom of the guide right back up towards the top of the guide. And little by little as I go up, I'm going to open my lever. And every time I do that, you're going to notice that my guide's moving up with me, but that's okay because that's exactly what I'm looking for. By the time I fully extend my lever and I'm back up towards the top of that guide, it'll be completely blended out. So now that I blended out that guide, I'm going to come in with my wall number 1 color guard with the lever open, and I'm going to begin to create my next guideline. And I'm going to continue to keep everything consistent just like the previous guide, and I'm going to give myself the same amount of space that I just gave myself with the 2 previous guides. And once that guide has been set with the lever open, I'm then going to close my lever and I'm going to begin to blend from the bottom of that guide right back up towards the top of that guide. But this time I'm going to keep my lever closed, and I'm going to go right back up underneath right where I just left off with the lever fully open. And typically the one leaves a little weight behind, and that's okay. I'll show you how to remove that in the next step. Alright, so now we're going to begin to remove that little bit of weight right where I just showed you. So to do that, I'm going to use my wall half color guard, and I'm going to come in with the lever open, and I'm going to begin to attack right above where I see that weight. And I'm going to remove it by using the fade down process, so you're going to see me close my lever as needed until it's completely blended out. Alright, so now that we have that blended out, now I'm going to come in with my wall 1.5 premium guard with the lever open. And this time I'm not necessarily setting a guide because it's going to blend right into that too. But I am going to cut in a guide-like form still because I want to keep everything consistent. So once I clean it up with that 1.5 with the lever open, just like the previous guide, you're going to see that I close my lever and I'll begin to blend right from the bottom of that guide right back up towards the top of it where I just left off with the lever fully open. And this is actually going to be it for the cut. I want to apologize that I didn't get to film the detail work or his lineup, and let me just say that his lineup was super difficult, and I really wish it was something that I caught for you guys. But here's a look at the final cut. Again, I apologize, I know this ain't my dopest tutorial, but I definitely feel like there is still value here for somebody. And if that's you, make sure you smash that like button. If you're new to my channel, I suggest you stick around. It's only gonna get doper from here. I'm about to announce the winner to my wall corded clipper. It's going to go to E.R. Lano. So that's E_ARELLANO. You are the winner. I appreciate you, my boy, for your support. And I'm going to go ahead and read his comment, which led me to choose him. I thought it was super cool what he said, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. He said he's going for the wall clipper. Use him for sure, but also cool to have something you started learning with and now you're getting known for. I appreciate you, my boy. Thank you for your support. I appreciate all y'all. Be blessed and be a blessing. I'm out.